How to make menu in Wix 2025. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how you can make a menu in Wix in the easiest and most simplest way. So to do so, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be coming over to your Wix editor. Now, as you can see, I have made this menu here for myself, but let's go ahead and delete that. Okay. Now, once we've deleted this, first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to manage these pages that you have. So let's say I'm going to add a few pages for myself. Let's go with this minimalist page. Okay, I already have 3 pages, but I'm gonna add a fourth one just to give you a proper menu, and let's call this the contact page. Okay, contact us. Let's call it that. Now I'm gonna click on done. Now we have 4 basic menus over here. Now to create a menu for yourself, what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna come over to add elements. Once you come to add elements, here you can see all the menus lined up and you can choose whatever style of menu you want. So let's say I want this one, right? I'm gonna add it over here and look at that. We have a proper menu on the top of our page. And obviously, if I go over to preview, you can see that we can go ahead and navigate ourselves along this. So let's say I want to go to the SEO page, and here we are. So that is basically how easy and simple it is to create a menu for yourself. So thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.